Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So today's video is yet another FabFitFun unboxing. The summer boxes usually are my favorites. I do get the annual subscription, so technically I get to pick everything that's in here. Do I remember what I've picked? No, I don't. I will admit, I'm getting to the point where I'm starting to, again, declutter my life and pick things that only bring me joy and try to minimize the amount of stuff I'm getting. So I'm not sure how much longer we'll be doing these unboxings, just because I don't know if I want to keep spending money on it when I'm like trying to actively get rid of things. But for now, while I still have it, I'm excited to open it. I look forward to it when it comes, but I just know that I don't need all the stuff, you know? But let's get into it. They have the little scratcher thingy again. Is this going to be a recurring thing for them now? I don't know. Let's see what it does. Not an instant winner. That's fine. That's fine. So I'm just going to bring up on my phone the list of products that I got so that I know what I got. So as usual, I got my stuff and then I got some extra little add-ons. So stick around to the end for those, but let's start off with the things that I actually got. Now this first one that I got, I fought for. Like, it was popular. So let me see if I can find it in the box. And it is this. It's actual film, but it's an underwater camera. And I've always wanted one where I could take it with me on vacation and take pictures of some of the stuff that's under the water, because sometimes it's just so beautiful. And I know technically our phones can do it, but like I don't really want to take my phone down there just in case they lose it. And this is made for like underwater photos. And so there's just something so nostalgic about this. And like pool parties and stuff too, you could have this. It's kind of like a GoPro kind of thing. So I am excited. It is film camera, so I don't know how well it's going to work, but I really wanted this. I really did. And I'm so happy that it finally like came up. I kind of like sat on the site refreshing, because when I first went on that, they were all sold out. And I was like, how? I went on there as soon as I found out that it was going on. But they were all sold out. Then I was like, okay, refresh, and finally got it. It was popular. And this is the Sunny Life underwater camera, and it was $30. This is what I got for choice number 1. I don't know if these are all going to be in order, because they don't actually say which one was customization 1, which one was customization 2, etc. But the next one is actually a sunscreen. So I am pretty bad at putting on sunscreen on my face because a lot of it breaks me out. And so I really wanted to try this because it's supposed to be hypoallergenic, and I think that's part of it. It's not actually acne prone, but allergy prone for my skin. And so this is the Laneige Hydro UV sunscreen in SPF 50. And so I'm going to try and incorporate this into my skincare routine because it is missing. It is desperately needing a good sunscreen. So this was expensive for a sunscreen, but actually overall not that bad considering it's Laneige. It was $30 for this tube. That's going to last a while for the face, so I'm not actually upset with that. $30 isn't bad. Pretty reasonable. So I personally don't have a pool, but my neighbors do, and they let us go over there all the time to go into the pool, which is an amazing setup. I know I got really lucky with my neighbors. Like, I have the best neighbors, honestly. You can fight me on that, but like I seriously have the best neighbors. Anyways, so this is a Sunny Life pool ring in gold disco, and it's just a pool floaty. As I said, don't have a pool myself, but I'm going to use it in their pool to have drinks and just lounge in the pool. Best neighbors. And this was $34. That's a lot for a pool ring, to be honest, considering like the underwater camera was less expensive than this. But who knows? It might be huge. I'm not sure. I don't really want to blow it up right now. So yeah, pool ring. It'll be cute. So actually another thing I got was this Pop Sugar water bottle. I'm actually pretty bad at remembering to drink water. And this seemed like a really good potential motivator to remind me to drink water. Because even though I'm thirsty, I still don't drink water. I don't have a super great like travel water bottle that can go upside down in my bag, so I don't really bring a water bottle with me everywhere, which is bad form, I know. And I'm also wanting to get more into sports this summer, like tennis outside, so I figured a good water bottle was a necessity. And this one has like ready, set, hydrate, you've got this, get ready to glow, cheers, you're halfway there, drink, and sip, hooray. It's actually got from 8 a.m. till 1 p.m. and from 2 p.m. till 7. So you can use it 2 times, I guess, throughout the day. Obviously you can use it as just a normal water bottle as well. And it's got this nice cover for the little spout here. And it's such a cute color as well. This is like, I think I'm gonna really like this. This was expensive though. This water bottle, 32 ounces, but it was $42. $42 for a water bottle. That's just ridiculous. It better not leak, is all I'm gonna say. It better not leak. But I am excited to have it because obviously I did not pay $42 for it. Would never pay $42 for a water bottle. That feels really nice and I'm really excited to try it out. Let's get healthy. This I got because I can't keep using my mother's. It is a luggage scale from my tag-alongs. When I went away for the winter, I realized how necessary a luggage scale is, especially when you're coming back and you don't know how much everything weighs, and then you're like, oh my god, am I gonna get dinged at the airport? So this is perfect for that. It's a luggage scale. I mean, not much else to say about it. It's battery operated. You clip it, you lift, and it tells you how much your luggage weighs. So I figured I needed one myself. Might as well stop, you know, borrowing my mother's. She kind of needs it too if she travels with us. So yeah, that's what that's for. And this was $29.99. It's a lot. I probably would have bought one anyways, but maybe not now, but like closer to the actual time we travel. But I definitely would have bought one regardless. So good to have, good to have. So this next one, I remember I got because there wasn't much choice that I wanted in this option, unfortunately. I remember feeling kind of stuck with this option and really wasn't sure what to get. So I ended up deciding on this, which is a like tiered tray for like rings and stuff, I guess. I don't know. I thought it would be nice to store some of my jewelry in that I use day to day, or some of the items that I use day to day. But did I really need it? No. Am I going to use it? I don't know, but I had the highest likelihood of using this out of all the other options. Now that it's here though, it does feel pretty cheap and plasticky. I'm not going to lie. Like, it looked pretty high quality on the site, like that it was ceramic. It is not. It's definitely plastic. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, so I'm not a huge fan of it now that it's here. Kind of wish I picked something else, but I don't remember there being something else to pick. This is way too expensive for what it is. So it says this is the 2 bandits tiered catch-all tray and it's $30. This is nowhere near what I would expect for $30 in terms of quality. I think they're a little bit crazy. Not super impressed with this. That's what happens with subscription boxes. Sometimes you get stuff that you don't want or don't need, or sometimes you get like random stuff that's just like kind of junk, unfortunately. Anyways, let's move on. The last thing I am really excited about, because I've been looking for another cleanser. The one that I'm using, I love. It's the Tula probiotic cleanser, but it's like $60 to get another one. And so I was like, this one is by Selfless by Hiram. So the Hiram skincare guru on YouTube. And it is a centella and green tea daily gel cleanser. And I'm like, maybe this would be as good as my probiotic cleanser that I have from Tula. And it's so much cheaper if I ever want to get a refill. And I'm planning on doing a subscription box skincare video coming up. And I was waiting for this before I filmed it because I wanted to have this rather than the Tula one, because I was gonna run out of the Tula one before the video ended. So this is now the cleanser I'm gonna use for the video. And this was only $16 for this daily gel cleanser, centella and green tea, Selfless by Hiram. It's a hydrating gel cleanser. And so I use AM and PM. External use only. I mean, it's pretty standard. It says helping fight climate change. Not quite sure how or why, but I am really excited to try this because like he is the skincare guru and I'm a little bit swayed. I am a little bit susceptible to marketing. So I really wanted to try this out. And I figured, why not? It's good as anything to try. And I know I don't usually like skincare, but I actually specifically wanted that one. Like, I fought for the sunscreen and I fought for this because I wanted them. Like, I really wanted them. This box had a lot of things that I really wanted. So that is it for my box. I got some pretty neat items that I thought were really interesting and cool. Some things that I was looking to purchase anyways, like a another cleanser that might be on par with my Tula one, and a sunscreen that might not break me out. So I'm excited to try these two. And I needed the luggage scale as well. And I'm excited to have the camera and the water bottle because again, I will use them more frivolously but still fun as the pool ring. The catch-all tray is the only thing I'm actually like disappointed with because it's also the thing that like I felt like I was forced to choose as well. So the fact that the thing I was forced to choose ended up being disappointing is also like, oh, yeah. But overall though, still a really great value for your money. I think these boxes are now, I think they're 60 US a season. I think they've gone up in price. But in terms of the value, like basically everything was $30 or more that I got from this box. And I think I added an extra because there's 7 items here. So I think that extra was like $15 for that thing. So let's say 6 items were $30 each for a box that's worth 60. So you kind of are paying for 2 of the items out of the 4. So you kind of have to like 2. That's not bad considering I did actually actively want these 2. I mean, this is the lesser of the expense, and I needed the luggage scale. So then the other stuff is just kind of like frivolously free is the way I look at it. But anyways, I do like the stuff that I got and I'm excited to try it out and to use it and to just like, I actually picked very intentionally this time things that I really wanted. And this I'm probably going to donate like immediately because I don't like it. Okay, in terms of my add-ons, I got some stuff for me and some stuff for my pets. So the first thing I got actually makes a lot of sense and it is film from my camera, my underwater camera. So that's what this is. I bought 2 things of film. They were $15 each, so $30 for the 2 rolls of film. And it's just so that I can, you know, use the underwater camera that I bought. I don't know if it comes with film. Let me see. Yeah, the film's not included, so I kind of needed it in order to actually use the camera, which is a little annoying because like if you're going to include it in the box, maybe include it with the film. But anyways, I bought 2 rolls of film to go with the camera that I just bought. And then I really wanted to try these out just because I like the idea of temporary tattoos. I am a baby though and would never be able to get a real tattoo, like ever. I hate needles. Like the idea of that many needles jabbing into your skin at once is just like, oh my God, no. Absolutely not. Scary, 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 scary. So I got these temporary tattoos because I'm a wimp. And this one is both inked by Danny Temporary Tattoos. One is the Mantra pack and the other is the Butterfly Dreams pack. And so one just has like sayings like love yourself, I am enough. I figure this is good for when I'm feeling down on myself and I just need something like secret to make me feel good. And then the butterfly ones, I mean, who hasn't, as a teenager, dreamt of a butterfly tattoo on their ankle or like behind their ear, on their wrist? So this is just me living out my teenager dreams. Don't judge me too hard. And each of these sets of temporary tattoos were $6 and I think you get 20 tattoos per pack. So that's really not that bad. I'm excited. And last but not least, is not something for me, but for my dogs. So this is Pet's Favorite Bundles in large, extra large, and it is $10 for these 2 toys. They were just so cute. I couldn't help myself. I know I shouldn't have because my dog will destroy these in a matter of minutes, but they're just so adorable. And this is the pup screen, SPA F 50. Oh my God, I love it. It's just a chew toy. I don't think there's a squeaker. No, there's no squeaker in this one. And then this one is just like a little, probably like pina colada glass. It's just so cute as well. They're so adorable. I couldn't help it. My dogs love new toys. These are just so cute. And they'll look so cute with them. So $10 to make my dogs happy. I'll take it. Also, they make me happy because they're adorable. They will get destroyed very quickly. But I don't care. They're cute. They're so cute. All right. So that is everything, actually. Everything in my box and everything in my add-ons. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really liked everything that I got, to be honest with you, except for that tray. The tray is making me mad. But if we disregard the tray, I actually think this had a really good value and I really liked everything that I got. I'm going to get a good amount of use out of everything that's here, and that's important to me right now, especially right now, because I'm going through things and I'm trying to take away things that aren't going to be useful to me going forward or that I don't love or that I don't want in my life. And so the fact that I actually, past me, tried to pick things very intentionally, I do thank her for that. And I'm really looking forward to using this stuff in real life because some of this is going to be real fun Like, I can't wait to see the faces on my dogs when I give them this toy. It's gonna be so cute. And I'm really excited to try out the temporary tattoos and the sunscreen. My face will thank me, even if I'm not necessarily excited for it. My face will thank me. And the camera will be just like a fun thing to try out and play, and the pool floaty as well. And my body will also thank me for this one. Definitely thank me for that one. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think FabFitFun is still worth it? I am seriously considering not subscribing, not because it's not good. It's still one of the best subscription boxes out there in my opinion. I have the best luck with it, I find. I think it has the best value so far out of the ones that I've seen and the ones that I've tried. It's just that I don't know if subscription boxes are for me anymore. But what do you think? Do you guys still want to see these unboxings? Do you still enjoy these videos? Or are you excited for maybe something new on the channel? Let me know. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and I will see you next time.